Take a ride in the 2026
Buick Envision. Envision is a luxury crossover designed to turn heads and welcome you in with its quality craftsmanship, spirited performance, and conversation-friendly cabin that will make your driving experience worthwhile. The Envision's handsome exterior and well-styled cabin are appealing, while its value-packed features list serves as a cherry on top.
Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, four-wheel disc brakes, traction control, brake assist, electronic stability control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.